Hello guys, and thanks for watching DIY Artist Hacks. The hacks in this video are very cheap, or can be made from everyday household items. The first hack is pretty simple. All you're going to need are a couple of coffee cans. The first thing that you're going to do are wash out your coffee cans thoroughly before using. Feel free to decorate them as well, with wrapping paper or anything else you may find. You can then use these for paint water cans after painting. You can also use them as storage to hold your paintbrushes. There, nice and simple. Ever had a reference photo you want to paint, but know where to hang them properly? For this hack, I'm going to show you how to make a photo clip hanger. For this hack, you need a clothespin, self-adhesive Velcro, and a photo of your choice. Hold your clothespin with the opening hanging downward. Next, take one half of your Velcro and stick it onto one side of your clothespin. Save the other half of the Velcro. You're going to stick that on your easel later. Next, you're going to clip your photo onto your clothespin. The last step is to take that leftover piece of Velcro, stick it on your easel, and simply stick your clothespin onto your easel. There. You have a simple paper clip hanger. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY artist hacks and tips. Bye!